The police clamp down on gang violence in sections of St. Andrew has left some persons fuming this evening. Residents of William Road in St. Andrew are upset and accusing the police of destroying their belongings during an operation this morning. More in this report.
A prayer circle. Residents holding hands in unity on William Road, Kingston 5. Hours after a police operation during which some residents say the police ransacked their homes. For several weeks, the area has been affected by shootings and reprisals. However, police from 2 divisions intensified operations today and made several arrests. Some of the residents took issue with the way the operation was conducted.
From Monday to today, Saturday, 6 days that. I be at 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. I've been waking up because of police.
This resident, who says the police came in search of her son, told our news team what happened moments after police knocked on her door about 4 this morning.
You must say, shoot it off. So I say, no, may I come? I don't know if you're police, so I can't just come open the place. So him say, look. So I look through the window, I see them kneel on the front part, and I pull the door.
Moments after, she says the police threw her clothes on the ground, broke her furniture, and tore her ceiling. About 3 houses down, a woman giving her name as Pauline had a similar story.
And I keep saying, don't lick it down, let me open a partition. Then I hear like something tear. So I come out. When I come out, I see they lick it off and start to turn over the things. So I just walk away.
TVJ News caught up with the head of operations for the Area 4 Police Division, Senior Superintendent Terence Bent, on Maxfield Avenue. He was not on the operation in William Road, but gave this response.
In the briefings for these operations, we are mindful of the right of person's property, their own human rights. And we know that if we are going to improve information and intelligence, we cannot drive a wedge in a fragile situation. So we always recommend at the command level that we need to respect the rights, because when you do that, you're able to get more information and better cooperation.
Senior Superintendent Bent added that some residents are contributing to the situation.
They know what is happening. They know the persons who are pulling the triggers, who are giving facilities to persons to walk through the communities, and they know where the guns are being hidden.
He added that going forward, the police will be increasing their presence in the coming weeks. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.